Alright, so here's how to reset mouse settings to default in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar and search for mouse settings. There you have it. So open this up. And then from here, as you can see, this is the default settings actually, because I haven't changed anything from the very beginning of using this computer. So this is basically the basic default settings. So you can use my settings to make it like default. So there is no one tap button to make all of this by default by just simply tap on a single button. So you can just copy and paste all of my settings from here, and then again go to the additional mouse settings, which will open up this. So for the speed, you need to set this up in the middle like that, and then for the pointer, you need to go and simply tap on the use default and simply hit on apply to apply these settings. All right, then from here again, you can probably see these settings. You need to copy and paste all of these, and for the wheels, you will see this, and that's it. After changing all of that, you need to tap on the apply and the chest settings will be applied. So for the mouse pointer and size, the default size is like this, but I have increased the size by 1. So for the default size it is 1, but I am using currently 2. So that's how you can change your or reset mouse settings to default. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you up to the next time.